You wanna edit your videos using only your mobile phone? Well, here's the good news. I'm gonna show you how. Welcome back. Stay motivated. Make another video today, guys. Today I'm gonna show you I think it's the best app that you can use for mobile phone for editing. And stay to the end of this. I'm gonna show you also the tutorial. So stay to the end. I'm gonna show you the finished clip so you can check it as well. Let's go to the app. The app we're using is Kine Master today. There is two versions. One is free, one is paid. You paid $5 a month. So there is not much difference. I mean, there is one huge difference. So for example, we have this clip right here. So this is the free version. You see on very top when there is my video clip. When you play it, let's say, so the clip is playing, but you see it says made with Kine Master on the very top. You see where the little kid is flying sideways? Made with Kine Master. So if you want to have the version that is complete without the watermark, you have to unfortunately pay $5 a month, or I think $7 for multiple devices. Well, it's still worth it though. Other than that, you can use any tools even in free version. So all these tools right here on the screen are available. Like you can put media, you can add additional clips and stuff like that. But like I said, it's gonna have the watermark. Let's jump to the paid version. Okay, so this is the main screen of the Kine Master. Previously that was on my son's iPad. I just was gonna show you because you know, he doesn't have the paid version, so I wanted to show you the watermark. Okay, so let's say we open the new project. You click this red circle in the middle of the screen almost here, add new projects, and now you have this circle on the right side. So you choose, for example, media, and let's go to camera roll in this case. By the way, Kine Master is available for Android and iPhone, which is awesome. We go to select media. So for example, we're gonna choose this clip. This is one of the this is actually one of the little movies that I made with my son on his channel. Okay, so we have this clip. Let's just make it shorter. You basically twitch your fingers together so the clip gets smaller and smaller, meaning like you don't have to zoom it, you know, you can, it's less detail, but if you have to move around fast, like you see, it moves around fast right now. So for example, we have this layer, then we can check, okay, it's one clip. And for example, we're gonna put another layer of the video. In Kine Master you can put couple of layers together. So let's go to camera roll again. Okay, this is all the videos, and I'm gonna look for some clip because I wanna show you something very cool with this app. And I look for some clip. This is the clips that we used to use. I'm gonna say that my son is pretending to drive a car, right? So for example, let's say we choose this. So for example, we have this clip right now. So now let's say we want to make this clip. Okay, one second, let me move it. You can move it like this. You basically click it, you hold it with your finger, and you see on the bottom clip moves like this. Okay, we match them together. And we're gonna select this clip again. You see on the tab. Now we can basically move it around. You see like this. So let's say position it to overlay the other clip approximately. Okay, now we have this. We click check. Okay, and now you can even do something like they have actually chroma key, even green screen in this app, which is absolutely amazing. So look, you see this in the middle on the right side, there is this little person on the white shadow. Click this and enable. Okay, we have to adjust, see, you have to adjust the settings. So basically, one second. So you see we can adjust it. Well, keep in mind that this is not gonna be perfect because obviously you have to make like a detail curve, but you can adjust, as you see, is less or more green. So if you wanna do green screen, you have to record it perfectly, you know, with the proper settings, but let's just leave it at that. If we're gonna play this clip, click play, and you see like the background is moving behind the car, and you know, obviously I know this is not perfect, this looks kind of messy, but the point is, you know, just to show you the point that you can do green screen. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's go to something else right now. Okay, click media. Yeah, the great thing about this app that you can put actually multiple layers. So we have one clip right here. My kid is presenting Apple Pencil, for example, right? So then we click layer, and we can put another layer. So for example, let's say we put this, which is my video from some time ago. You can adjust it to make it smaller, like this. And then there you go, you click this check mark and you got it. So now see if this is gonna play. Obviously there is gonna be two voices and they're gonna play together, my son's and mine. So you play it and now you have two video clips on top of each other. But for example, let's say I don't want my audio. All you do is click the layer that you want to basically make the audio lower or to completely mute it. And then there you go. You can separate, you can individually mute the audio. So you mute the audio, check mark, and now you're gonna hear only my son's voice. You see?
Tools, the brushes.
So you heard only my son's voice and I have another layer on top of mine. Cool, right? Also, obviously sometimes you wanna split the clip, so you mark it. I mean, you click it once. Let's say you wanna split it. Now you can trim it. You can actually trim the clip. You can trim from right to right or trim to the left of playhead. Well, we can do that, or we just want to split it, for example. There you go. Okay, check mark, and we want to add some transition. So you go to, you click here between the clips. There is this little minus sign. You know what it says time of the clip, like how many seconds? The orange line, almost red. You click this. And then you have transitions, you see? So let's say you have classic transitions, fade through color, here you go. And now, once we play this clip, we have check mark, and now we have transition. So once I play it back, and there you go. Obviously this came back to the same clip. It's just to show you the transition. So this app is amazing. For example, you wanna add some music. So here you go, on the right side of the circle you have the audio. So let's choose some song, but I gotta choose the song that is not copyrighted material. 1 second. Okay, we're gonna choose the song called Volcano Trap, add, and off you go. So you can adjust it, same thing you can do with this clip, you can adjust it to position basically, you hold it with your finger and then it moves. So let's say we move it right here. Now once we play it, basically, okay, you can adjust the volume. Let's make it a little lower because obviously we wanna hear some of my son's voice at least, right? So we lower it to like 35%. Click check mark, and then once you play this clip,
And the tools, the brushes, see there's a lot of...
you see, so now you can hear the music and my son's voice, which was really great. Yeah, the app is absolutely amazing. For the mobile phone, what we can do with it is awesome. If you want to create stuff on the go, this is definitely worth it. I mean, $5 a month, even if you have the full version, is not a lot if you're creating content actually. You can additionally even select the speed of the clip. You can speed it up, and we're not gonna do that right now, but you can speed up the clip. You know, you see it's shrinking. That means it's gonna play way faster. Let's say this says 2 times only. Okay, so you can do 2 times. So for example, if I do it now, click check mark. This is gonna sound funny probably.
brushes, see there's a lot of...
But you see, at least you can speed it up. Okay, gonna come back. Also, you can even change the color. You can actually change the color of the clip. So you see, you can adjust the brightness of the color. You can make it a little bit darker. You can adjust, you know, like basically contrast, and you can adjust how much color saturation you want. You see, you can make it even black and white. Look, you see that? So yeah, so I'm gonna try to come back to approximately middle where it was. And you have also color filters, actual pre-built filters. So for example, you see, you can click the filter and it's gonna actually make some different color right there, you know. Not all these filters are that great. I mean, some of them are cool, but you see, you can make it black and white with one click. You can make it like more kind of like a movie theme rather than like amateur camera like we're doing with this clip, you know. Oh wow, negative, how is that? So alright, so we're not gonna do any of those. You can additionally record your voice if you need to record only voice, for example. So right here you have voice recorder. Now you click start, it's gonna record your voice. The cool thing about it though, you can, for example, play the clip, and while you're playing the clip, I believe you can still record the voice. So you can watch the clip what you need to say. Let's say you're doing some tech review and you're talking about some gadget, you can be playing the clip and reviewing it in the same time, which is awesome. And obviously, if you want to add another clip to your timeline, so you put another media, you choose any clip, camera roll, and let's choose anything that we have. It doesn't matter. Let's say this one, and you see it just added the clip to the timeline. So you know you have click. So you have basically multiple layers. You have 2 layers so far. Let's try to add another layer. We're doing this, by the way, on iPhone 7. The more power your phone is, the better it's gonna be. But okay, let's say we wanna put some text. Cool app, right? Okay, and okay, we click check. And you can even change the font if you want. So let's say we want this one. Click check. You can also adjust it. You can even adjust it to the color you like, which is awesome. Let's make it red. Click check. And there you go. You see that? In animation, and you can actually put it how you want this thing to be animated for the text, for example. So you put it pop. Click. And now once we're gonna play this, it's gonna actually pop to the screen. Here you go. That was cool, right? And additionally, you can choose the opacity on it, overall animation, and you can even adjust how long you want this clip to pop in. So for example, you can adjust the settings. See, you can make it pop slower or faster. See, if you do it like this, it's gonna come very slow. If you do it in like 2 seconds, then it's gonna be a little bit faster. Let's rewind this and watch. See, that was great. So yeah, there is a lot of tools. Let's actually try. Now, I don't know if I can put one more layer. The more power your phone is, the more layers you can put, right? So let's try to put, just to check if my phone could do it. I'm not even sure. And let's add some other layer. Doesn't matter. Wow, it was actually able to do it. That's kind of a shocker. Okay, so we're gonna try to move it, because obviously I don't want this to be there. Then there is my sun. Additionally, I'm gonna try to use the chroma. I don't think that's gonna be that great because that wasn't even recorded properly. So enable. Yeah, look, it's not perfect, but I mean, look at this app. Isn't this amazing? Oh yeah, 1 second, there is one error in here. Okay, we have to crop this little part in here. You see this gray because that was not a green screen. This one, when it's covering my son's face in the middle of the screen. Okay, so we cut this off, and there you go, and voila. And now And now look, you have basically my son right there, you see, using chroma screen, pretty much 4 layers of video. So you have 4 layers of video, including the text, on the mobile app. I mean, like, for me that's insane. And if you have like faster phone, if you have like brand new Samsung phones or iPhone 8 or 10 or what have you, if they have faster processor, this is gonna be even better. Additionally, you have other tools as well. You can put overlays. For example, you have some classical stickers. You can put, you know, some stickers on top of it. And also, under the big circle on the right, there is this kind of like a theater looking thing. And then it opens a bunch of other stuff. So some of them says premium. This is where you pay the $5 a month, and some of them is free. But that's cool. Like, they give you like different graphics and you know, even songs that you could use and stuff like that, you know. So for example, you have effects, swirl, and you can download these effects. So let's say we download this, installed, okay, fine. We're gonna apply the swirl effect now. And now look at that. Obviously this is plain silliness. I'm just testing the effect. Let's say we check mark it. You see, it's pretty cool, right? And also you can even handwrite on the screen. If you see, you can even handwrite. Let's erase it. I don't even know how. Also, by the way, on the left side of the video frame, you have the recycling, the garbage can. So if you wanna delete some clip, let's say this handwriting right here, the orange line. So you basically mark it and you click delete, and that's it. That's pretty much done. So if you are a creator and you're actually looking forward to create stuff on the go, because a lot of us, we pretty much don't have much time, you know, we're occupied with our work and busy life. So this app is pretty cool that you can do everything while you, let's say, waiting for something, or, you know, on the go, and you don't have your you know, laptop with you, or even desktop or what have you. And so okay, I put the twist on a different layer, you see. So I put it right here, so it's twisting the letters as well. Also, of course, if you wanna export this, so you have your video ready. Let's say, you know, this video, let's assume that is finished. You pretty much click this you know, export button on the very right side on the corner on top. Click export, and you know, over here you can choose full HD or 720p and what have you, right? So let's say we choose 1080p, which is full HD. And on the bottom you also choose the bit rate. Obviously you better put it all the way high. It's gonna take more megabytes, but if you want your video to look good, you don't wanna do that. So export. And see, now it's exporting. This is like a minute or 2 minute clip with a bunch of effects, so it doesn't take that long. As you can see, the line is moving pretty rapidly. If you have obviously 15-20 minutes video, that's gonna take way longer. And this is only iPhone 7, not bad at all. So the file is already exported, which means it pretty much saves it to the program itself, to the app. If you wanna actually save it to your files, you can save right here on the bottom, save it. You can share it to Facebook, Messages, Messenger, copy it to iMovie. I mean, I don't see the reason why you would do that, because this is the editing app. But anyways, if you really want to, or you can copy the clip and stuff like that. So let's say we save it to our, you know, videos, and now once we close this, and there is our saved clip. Let's play it to see let's play it to see if it goes the right way. Okay, you see the fade, the transition,
and the tools, the brushes. See, there's a lot of.
See, it's playing the way we planned, right, guys? And there you go. And that was your example of the video clip. Obviously that last video clip was a little bit silly. Normally you're not gonna twist your video, swirl it and what have you. I just wanted to show you this example. Thank you guys for watching. If you are about to create something, this Kine Master I think is the best app. The way it works, I mean, I don't know how it works on the Android, I'm sure the same, but for the iPhone 7 it works super smooth. I would definitely recommend it. Thank you for watching. Stay motivated, make another video today. And there is no better way than start making videos on mobile, and Kine Master definitely works. Thank you so much. See you guys in next episode. Peace.